a supervisor. Loss of speed. Sometimes production does not run at maximum efficiency. Assess your operations to find out what an ideal run rate looks like and standardize processes to help achieve it. But sometimes workers will sacrifice safety for speed, so make sure your ideal run rate includes the use of all proper safety measures and PPE. Adjusting or setting up machines. Here is another typical problem that contributes to OEE losses and workplace hazards. New production run changeovers can be inefficient and dangerous. Make the changeover quickly to save downtime, but don't sacrifice safety. Startup and production rejects. The defective goods that won't reach consumers cost time and money. But don't be tempted to make adjustments on the fly. Somebody might lose a finger. That's all on OEE losses and this episode. Come back for more tips and techniques on how to stay safety compliant in today's ever-changing landscape of safety requirements. I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief, sponsored by Creative Safety Supply. See the website at creativesafetysupply.com.